sino ang pinakamahirap na tao, no? Akala ko nung linggo yung mahirap, yung wala kang choice. Ang choice mo, kunyari nung linggo, ang pagkain mo, kung ano man mahulog sa mesa ng mayaman, yung mumo. No choice ka, kung anong bumagsak yun, kakainin mo. Wala kang panggamot, yung aso, dinidilaan yung iyong sugat. That is what poverty is. Akala ko yun yung pinakamahirap, no? Hindi yung walang pera, hindi yung walang choice. Ang mahirap pala, yung walang vision, walang purpose mabuhay. So kahit na ikaw yung pinakamahirap, pinakadukha, pero kung may purpose ka, yung purpose ni Lazaro, I will persevere. May goal ako patungo sa langit. Itong paghihirap na to magdadala sa akin sa langit. So he persevered, and his perseverance brought him to heaven. He persevered because he had mission, he had a goal in life. May purpose. Yung pinakakawawa, yung pinakamahirap, walang purpose. Dahil walang purpose, magbibigti na lang ako kasi walang kahulugan walang ang buhay. I have no vision. I have no purpose. I have no goal. Yun ang pinakamahirap na tao sa lupang ibabaw. No reason to live. And that is where our beautiful saint comes in. Her mission in life, ito yung mission niya, no? Ito yung purpose in life. Ang tawag niya, ang tawag sa akin, my call in my life. Ano yung tawag sa kanya? My call is to love. And everything changes. My call is to love. We were designed to love, not to hate. Imagine how beautiful it is. So, this is what she says, no? We do everything with love. What is the opposite? Stress. Ano ba yung stress? Hindi sa dami ng trabaho eh. No? Ang stress, ginagawa mo isang bagay na hindi mo gusto. Kung gusto mo magtrabaho, kung gusto ng mga altar server natin, yung mga naglilingkod dito, if you love what you're doing, sige pa, more. Because I love what I'm doing. Kung gusto ko maglaba, gusto ko naglalaba, nako, ang sarap maglaba. But if you love what you're doing, that is not stressful. Pero ang stressful, buwisit itong laban na to buwisit itong luto na to If you do everything without love, buwisit, that is stressful. Yung pala yung stress. Hindi sa dami ng trabaho. Pag gusto mo yung trabaho mo, thanks be to God. Kung mahal mo yung asawa mo, naku, salamat. Kahit na araw-araw niloloko ka na kasi mahal mo, thanks be to God pa rin. Kaya yung pala yung stress. Hindi pala yung dami o yung mga buwisit. Yung stress, walang pagmamahal. Pero pag mahal mo yan, hindi stress yan. Hindi stress yan. Kaya, in sitting, I sit with love. I hear with love. I go to Mass with love. I breathe with love. Everything with love. This is the secret of Saint Therese. Yung pala, she is called the little flower of Jesus. Little. In the smallest of things. Yung pinakamaliliit. She does it with love. It makes a world of a difference. Yung pala yung sikreto. Little things. Hindi kailangan magpatayo ako ng simbahan, hindi ko kailangan magmisa ng 10 beses sa isang araw. No. A simple smile. No? Yung pondo ng Pinoy, di ba? Sabi niya, 25, araw-araw, faithfully. A symbol of a good deed. Ano man magaling, kahit na gaano kaliit, basta malimit, patungong langit. Not big things. I will give you 1 million today, bukas, wala na. Next year na ulit. Walang sinabi yung 25 araw-araw mo sa 1 milyon. Kasi faithfully, every day. If you give 25, it is a habit form. A small thing every day. The littlest of things, not the big things. It's a beautiful reminder for us today. No? Beautifully, ang daming, kaya nga inagahan ko yung misa kasi ang daming magandang kwento. Tapos yung responsorial psalm, let my tongue be silenced if I forget you. Imbes na, let my tongue be silenced pag may marites kita. Hindi. If I forget you, let my tongue be silenced. Ang bait ng Diyos, hindi rin siya sabi, pag nagchismis ka, sana ikaw ay mapipe. Hindi. Let my tongue be silenced if I forget you. No? A very beautiful way of putting it. And then the beautiful gospel in connection with our purpose in life. No? May kasabihan, burn bridges. Alam niyo ibig sabihin ng burn bridges? Yung mga sundalo, pag sumusugod sa isang bayan, susunugin nila yung tulay. Wala ka nang babalikan. No choice tayo. Kailangan natin sakupin to. Kasi wala na tayong babalikan. Wala nang tulay eh. Hindi ka na makakabalik sa pamilya mo eh. Sunog na yung tulay eh. Yung ebanghelyo, let me first bury my dead. No? Let me first say goodbye to my family. No. Look forward to that vision, to that goal, to that purpose. Huwag na natin babalikan yung lagi, lingon ng lingon. Naku, yung aking first love. Naku, yung unang panahon ng Hapon. Naku, nung kami presidente pa, nung kawakoy. Tapos na yan, sunugin mo na yan. Hindi tayo dadalhin sa langit nan. Dadalhin tayo sa impyerno. Forget about the past. It's important, salamat sa Diyos, but look forward. We might have to burn some bridges eh. But of course, you cannot burn all bridges, no? But be careful because some people are too attached to the bridges of the past. May magandang kanta eh, di ba? There's a bridge made of sorrow, there's a bridge made of but believe. Anong kanta ni Sergio Mendez? No? There are bridges made of love. Yun ang ating buhay. Ang mission ni Saint Therese, mission natin to love. It will make a world of a difference. Saint Therese of the Child Jesus, pray for us.